And I know you like a jukebox playing in the middle of the club. A hot night, baby, and I just can't get enough.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn. If you're new here, you should definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below because I post new videos literally all the time. So today's video is going to be my everyday quarantine makeup. I don't do my makeup every day, but when I do here in quarantine, this is what I do. So I thought this would be a fun video to film for you guys. And with all that being said, let's just go ahead and get started with today's video. Alright, so the first thing that I do before I start my makeup is I put my hair up. I have the itskatelynyt hair bands. These things are amazing. You just put them under hot water and they'll shrink back down to their normal size, and they also don't make your hair crease. So these are my favorite. They will be linked down below for you guys. All right, now that my hair is up, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I take is this Lancome primer. I really do enjoy this primer a lot. I've noticed that my makeup stays on a lot better when I put it on versus when I don't. So I definitely recommend using primer. It just makes your makeup last a lot longer, and it makes your skin smooth. The next thing that I take is this It Cosmetics CC cream. I really like this stuff, and I have it in the shade Fair Light, and all I do is put one pump on my hand. Literally one pump is actually a little too much, so like half a pump, and it's like the perfect amount. Then I take my beauty blender and just tap it and just dot it all on my face, and then I just kind of spread this out. One thing that I really like about this CC cream is the smell.
It smells delicious.
And also, I've never seen a CC cream this coverage. Like, it doesn't feel heavy on my skin, but it always covers up literally all of my blemishes and such. Like, I barely have to use any concealer anymore, and it's great because I can just use this. Alright, so the next thing that I do is take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I really love this stuff a lot. And since I did say that this is pretty full coverage, like I cover a lot of my blemishes, I don't really put that much under my eyes, but I do love to cover my blemishes just a little more because sometimes you can see them. And it just like brightens under my eyes, and I really like how it looks because it just makes me look more awake. Alright, next what I do is take my favorite powder. I've used this powder for years, literally. I've gone through maybe like 6 of these. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. It's literally $4. You can't beat it, and it's just an amazing powder. And then I just take my Red Techniques powder brush and just like swirl it and dab it all on my face. Also, this product smells really good too. I don't know. It's very light, but it has like a good scent. Next, I take my Bare Minerals Invisible Bronze and use this, and I just tap it lightly because I don't like to do too much just because I feel like bronzer just doesn't look good on me, or contour, and I kind of just do that just a little bit, not too much, but just to kind of darken up a little because I do want to look tan, you guys. I'm literally
like me and my shirt blend together.
Next, I take my NARS blush in Deep Rose. It's my favorite blush of all time. It's just this pretty pinky color. And then I take my blush brush and just tap it in lightly because, once again, I don't really like a lot of blush, but I kind of just put it on my cheeks. I've had this for years and it's gone such a long way. So that's what I do for blush, not too much. This makeup look literally, if I wasn't filming a video, could take me 5 minutes. So it's really great. Then I take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle as just a highlighter. So then I take this Real Techniques brush and I just tap it in and then put it on my cheekbones. It's very pretty. And then on my nose and on my cupid's bow. Next, what I do is take my Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick. If I'm not filming a video, this is what I wear. But if I film like a YouTube video, then I kind of do a little more than just this cream stick. So then what I do is just take my ring finger and blend it in. Next, I am going to be taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I love this. So one side's a spoolie and one side's a regular. So I need to wax my eyebrows. I've been plucking them, but they just need to be waxed at this point. So I just like draw them on, I guess. I don't really have a specific way. Honestly, I don't like my eyebrows because one's like different than the other, and it drives me insane literally every time I do my eyebrows, but I try my best. So we're gonna see, especially since they're not waxed. So here we go. Next, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Great Lash. I love this thing. I've used it forever. It's just a clear brow gel. So I just run it through my eyebrows, and then it just makes them stay in place all day. Then I take my eyelash curler and just curl my eyelashes. One thing that I love about myself is my long eyelashes. Once I put mascara on, it looks like I literally am wearing fake eyelashes. Then I take my Bobbi Brown mascara, another one of my favorites. I've talked about it in a ton of videos, and I just
Lather
my mascara on. Then lastly, what I do is just put this Nivea Milk and Honey on. It's just a lip balm. If I'm filming YouTube videos, then I'll put an actual lipstick on, but for just lounging around the house, I just do this. And that's my makeup. Alright, so that is actually all of my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed. All of the products that I used in this video will be linked down below for you guys, just for your convenience. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a huge thumbs up for me. It just simply lets me know that you are enjoying my content, as well as subscribing down below. And don't forget to go follow me on all my social medias. They'll be on the screen right here for you guys, as well as down below. So with all that being said, I hope you guys are enjoying your day and are staying safe in quarantine. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!